Hey guys, this is Fundo on Nosipho. Tonight on Uzalo, Gabisile has a hard time opening up her heart to love. Gabisile encouraged Hlelo that everybody has mistake must learn on it. Mamlambo is horrified to learn that he good thing could learn her a maximum of 15 years in prison. Njeza spoiled Nosipho by washing clothes and making her breakfast. Nosipho defend Njeza's character, and Sbu can't believe Nosipho and Njeza are back in love. Do you think Nosipho and Njeza will break up again? Please leave your comment below. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.
Wait,